So we're headed on to LEGO Technic. Looks like it's a little roller coaster thing. All right, so the Technic area is crazy. There's like a flying bike thing, wave runner that we're gonna do, games, and then this cycle this thing that actually looks like it goes really fast. Cat, this looks like it goes pretty fast. Aww.
Like the video. Subscribe.
That stinks. They're running it. Let's go do the other stuff then and see if it opens up. Little sitting area. So the Lego race coaster is closed right now. All right, we're gonna go do, that's the exit key. We're gonna do the AQUAZONE Wave Racers. Hey, you gotta scoot over. I gotta get in. No, you're backed up. Go forward.
And I close this.
Yeah.
So this is right?
Yes, that is right. And that's left. Yeah.
I'm just going to hold it right.
Hey, mommy's over here. Wave. Yeah. She's too short to be by herself.
Alrighty, my friends, welcome to AQUAZONE. Please remain standing for the duration of the ride, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside of the pod at all times. Make your pod go out, turn the wheels to the right, make it come back in, turn to the left. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Say bye to Tiffany. We'll see you in a little bit.
I'm out and away. Woo!
And then if you turn left, it goes in. And if you turn right and then left, it goes in and out. Whoa! That's all pretty good. Hi, Mommy. Whoa! This actually feels really good, the breeze. And then we're in, and then you turn right, and we're out again. Whoa!
Wait for it. It'll boom.
Whoa! Whoa!
Alrighty, my
All right,
friends,
turn
welcome back.
to the left.
To the left as the very first light off. Once the ride comes to a stop, you can
All the way to the
lift up
left.
that safety lever and exit up the stairs and enjoy
And
the
then
rest
just
of your
leave
day
it.
at LEGOLAND
And then we're gonna
Florida
feel a
with
bump. That's the bump. Just wait for it to stop. All right. You can head up and out. And then darling daughter. Ow. And then we close this. You ready? T, you ready? Can you wave at mommy?
I'm gonna do that next.
Yeah, we're headed over there next. There's mommy. Bye, mommy. Whoa! Kane!
Like the video.
Hi!
Subscribe. Get notified.
You gotta wait for it to go in when you turn to the left. Turn to the left and then wait for it to go in and then turn it to the right. So turn it to the left. Let it come in. Let it go in, and then go to the right. Yeah, like that. Whoa! And if you do it more, if you let it go in more to the left and then all the way to the right, it'll go flying out. So let it go in, let it go in, let it go in, let it go in. Now go out. Whoa! Do you feel it? You feel the difference? Is that a laugh out of you?
That's the furthest start I know.
Yeah.
That's the furthest start I know. What's that?
Where did Mommy go? Oh.
Alrighty, my friends, welcome back. Please turn your wheel to the left and prepare for a slight bump. Once the ride comes to a complete stop,
So turn all the way to the left.
safety lever and exit up
You're
the
turning to
stairs.
the right.
And enjoy the rest of your day here at LEGOLAND
And just leave it.
Florida Resort.
And then you're gonna feel a bump. You okay? So it's holding on to you. And then we gotta wait for it to stop. You can lift up. Do you need help getting out? Hold my hand. You got it, and we're done.
Thank you for watching.